Line types can be a pattern of dashes, dots, text, and symbols, or broken and continuous. The current line type setting defines the default appearance of all new geometric objects. You can see which line type is current in the Properties panel of the ribbon homepage when no objects are selected. We are going to add line types to our new drawing. Here we have a new drawing that has been opened. We are going to access the line types properties along our home ribbon, our homepage ribbon. And that's going to be this right here. To insert new line types, we're going to access the property panel of our home tab. Properties box is right here. We have the match properties, and we also have some indications right here on your objects that you're drawing and what line types are going to be. We have colors, line weight, and our line type. Line types are what the line actually looks like. Is it dotted? Is it spaced? Is it one long continuous and then one a dash? So we're going to access that. We're going to do the drop down where it says by layer right here. And all of these say by layer, by block, and continuous. But we're going to actually select other because we're loading new or loading line types into our new drawing. And then we have our Linetype Manager. Here again, we have our by layer, by block, continuous. We're going to go up to the load. And then you see we have all these options of different line types. Gas lines, hot water supplies. We'll have phantom lines, zigzag lines, center lines, and you could always create your own lines as needed, but that's for another time. So we're going to let's insert our zigzag line that we have down here. We're just going to click on that so it's highlighted and click OK. And then it's loaded into our Linetype Manager. We're going to click on that line type and we're going to set it as current for our current line type and then click OK. Now when we draw our line by selecting our line icon and we draw our line, we have a zigzagged line. And we closed it there. That is how to load a new line type within your drawing.